educational.
Exactly.
I taught you something, that counts.
Yes.
This next song is called I Just Did the Entirety of the Old Dun Cow, so I'm going to drink something.
Yes. Hydrate, everyone. This is your friendly reminder. Love to hydrate. There's an ocean out there if you'd like to have a sip.
Yes, it's very important to hydrate, my
Pretty
friends.
idyllic.
Especially when thou art with friends, because when thou art with friends, the time just passes by, goes on and on. First it's slow as things are waiting, but then it goes faster and faster until the hours have passed. You're breathless, and well, let's do a nice, calmer, easier, slower song, a song about a little bit about love, a little bit about a lady specifically, and this lady, well, her name is Mary Mac.
Yes.
Are any of you familiar with Mary Mac? Hey, that's good. That's
I thought we
important.
were going to do Red is the Rose again.
We're going to do Red is the Rose again, yes, but tomorrow.
Oh, yes. Okay, goodness.
Now, Mary Mac is very easy. There is a teensy bit of audience participation. However, it's nothing ridiculous. Again, when I get to the chorus. Mary Mac's mom is making Mary Mac marry me. Then all of you respond with
My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac.
Oh, check that entire.
You don't have to do that.
You
part.
do not have to burp.
That's crow exclusive.
Yes. Give me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna Mary, Mary to the Mary.
Mary, Mary Mac. Yes, that is the song.
I always do that, and it always feels either way too high or way too low, but maybe I'll examine that for tomorrow or
Yes,
something.
we'll figure it out.
Yeah. Nice, easy, slow song. I am actually doing it significantly too fast, but you'll get it as we go. There's a wee little lass, and her name is Mary Mac. Make no mistake, she's the girl I wanna try. Lots of other fellas wanna get up on her back, but I think they're gonna have to get up early. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, so the Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. Can you now the sweet little lass, she has a lot of class, she has a lot of brass, and her mother thinks I'm gas, so I'd be a silly ass if I let the matter pass. For mother since she suits me rather fairly. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, so the Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. Can you Now Mary and her mother hang an awful lot together. Well, in fact, you hardly see the one without the other. And the last often wonder, it's Mary or her mother, when both of them together that I'm going. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, so Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. They get little oh. It's 10 money lass, where you gonna spend the day? Well, she said I'm on the heathers and they have about a pay. Where all the boys and girls there are making it for free. I'm on the feathers and the hills that better pay. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, so the Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. Take your little oh. The wedding's on a Wednesday, everything's arranged. Soon and never change your mind, listen to the changer, making the arrangements, a bit of it arrange. Your marriage is an awful undertaking. Mary's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, so the Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be Mary when I marry Mary Mac. You little oh. It's sure to be a gonna build a gonna run the bell. There's gonna be a creature paper and a couple of wells. Stand upon the farm's fair, sure to get my share if I don't let a Mary take it. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, so the Mary's taking care of me. Well, I'll be feeling Mary when I marry Mary Mac. The sweet little lass and her name is Mary Mac. Make no mistake, she's a girl I wanna try. Lots of other fellas wanna get up on the back, but I think I'm gonna have to get up early. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry. My mother's making me Mary, Mary Mac. Well, I'm gonna marry Mary, so the Mary's taking care of me. I'll be the Mary when I marry makes me breathless.
Oh goodness, yes.